Hello, my name is Heather Cooper, and this is my rebrand advertising sales presentation. We are wanting to rebrand Andy's Frozen Custard into Andy's. The advertising agency that I'm with is Cool Advertising. This is going to be the new and improved Andy's Frozen Custard. The marketing and advertising goals are to change the customer's perception, modernize the brand, adapt to customers' needs and taste. The primary customers are ice cream lovers, youth, elderly, and the Jonesboro local residents. The target audience, which is what we're going for and working towards, is the millennials born between 1981 to 1996, ages 26 to 41 years old, from Northeast Arkansas, and we want the travelers. The challenges: we may not be able to have a comprehensive plan. We might forget the customer's perceptions. Only changing the logo. Application of new branding assets. All of these have to be addressed. They're big challenges for rebrands. Strategy. Our strategy is to update social media pages, any legacy media. We're going to announce the rebranding on radio and television, and research and deliver as a team. These are all of the current social media pages: Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, and a website. Insights. It's good to know that advertising fresh and natural ingredients is essential to attracting millennials. Personalization is important to millennials. Creative ideas for seasonal and holiday times is important to millennials. Keeping it affordable, paying attention to the economy. Evolution keeps a business alive. Television and radio advertisements still reach the most people. About us. So my advertising agency is called Cool Advertising. We're a small local advertising company launched in 2020. We specialize in social media management. We create graphics for legacy media and apparel. Most importantly, we know how to strategically plan for any future organization to thrive in excellency. The solutions to creating the new brand for Andy's. We are going to immerse ourselves into the millennial culture, be open to new ideas, broaden our knowledge on hormones and preservatives, because millennials want fresh ingredients without all the extra stuff that's not healthy for us. We need a plan. We've got to know the economy, and we've got to create more awareness. The advantages of choosing Cool Advertising is we are media savvy, we're organized, we care about your opinions, we are driven, we have the education, we have the experience, and we have a fair price. Benefits for you. You get to experience a brand new organization. You'll make more profits, you'll connect more with customers. We handle everything from start to finish, and you won't have to wonder, what if? Rebranding aspects and cost. For a complete rebrand, it takes about 5 to 6 months, and the cost is about $60,000 to $80,000. This will include all of the following aspects: social media pages and website, copyrights, photos, marketing items, target audience research, brand audit, naming and logo, brand identity, corporate stationery. These are some of our success ratings and reviews. for cool advertising. AJ from Jonesboro said, best advertising company we ever used. Dan from Little Rock said, don't know how we would have made it without them. These are just a few of the 5-star reviews that our company has gotten. These are the terms and conditions. You have a tablet in front of you and there is a dotted line. If you would like to hire us as your advertising agency to rebrand Andy's Frozen Custard into Andy's with a new logo and an overall new view, just sign right here. By immersing yourself into the millennial culture and being new to open ideas, broadening your knowledge on hormones and preservatives, having a plan, knowing the economy, and creating more awareness, you'll get to experience a brand new organization, make more profits, connect with customers, have comfort knowing we're handling it all, and not ever have to wonder what if. Next steps. That wraps it up, guys. If you sign the terms and conditions and you're ready for a brand makeover success, we can start talking business right now. After the initial meeting, I will introduce the plan to our agency and they will begin the process. Let's get started.